This is our 10th year of the program, and being able to see students from Hayes and White in the elementary grades take part in our programs and see those same students being able to follow them through middle school, high school when they come to our tutoring program, and seeing the success they have from working on literacy to graduating high school and getting that diploma.
The UNBSJ Promise Partnership has helped us create and sustain a very positive culture for learning in our building. It's probably one of the most important partnerships that we have here, as it is beloved by the students.
With Youssef, I've been with him for 3 years. The first time he was here, he hardly spoke English, and now we have conversations all the time, and he just cruises through these worksheets.
A constant in their life to look forward to seeing every Thursday at lunchtime, to read a book or play a game. It really changed the culture of the school.
It's very positive for students, staff, and families.
I remember coming here as a student through high school. I have a lot of test anxiety, and I would come here, I would talk to my mentors about that anxiety. I would show up the next day after the test, and they would all be waiting and kind of rooting to see how it went, and just sharing that experience and my success whenever I got great grades, and just seeing that happiness and just seeing that workload really pay off really made a huge difference to my success.
High school has to be one of the most difficult times, so having the Promise Partnership tutoring program available for those students really gives them a chance to shape their lives, to graduate, and to go on and work and become great citizens.
As an immigrant from other country, I came here and I lost all of my family, and those tutors, they were caring about me so much. Sometimes I felt like they're like my family.
It's unbelievable just how you can change a child's mindset, and the same with tutoring and just being there for them, not only on an academic level but also a personal level where you can share your experiences.
Just to have somebody there to help me through everything helps take off a lot of stress. It's just really nice to have somebody there who knows what's going on and be able to help.
If I come here and have a good time with these guys and they're smiling, that's a success for me.
All of those people who directly impacted my life and helped me get to this point and helped me break the cycle of poverty, and it's really hard for people to do that. And I know that this program truly does help kids break the cycle of poverty.
Now, as a university student, I'm a tutor as well and Promise Partnership, and I'm really happy to help others.
He's a nice man, and he made us feel happy.